Ubud, a cultural and artistic hub nestled amidst the lush rice paddies of Bali, Indonesia, offers a serene and captivating escape. Here's a glimpse into what makes Ubud so special. Natural beauty. Rice terraces. The iconic terraced rice paddies of Ubud are a sight to behold. The intricate patterns and vibrant green hues create a breathtaking landscape. Lush jungles. Explore the lush jungles that surround Ubud, home to diverse flora and fauna. Waterfalls. Discover hidden waterfalls like Tiganungan Waterfall, a picturesque cascade surrounded by lush greenery. Cultural experiences. Ubud Monkey Forest. Encounter playful long-tailed macaques in this sacred forest sanctuary. Ubud Palace. Admire the traditional Balinese architecture and witness cultural performances at the palace. Ubud Art Market. Shop for unique handicrafts, paintings, and souvenirs from local artisans. Yoga and meditation. Indulge in yoga and meditation retreats, surrounded by nature's tranquility. Wellness and relaxation. Ayurvedic spas. Pamper yourself with traditional Balinese massages and spa treatments. Healthy cuisine. Savor delicious and healthy vegetarian and vegan food at Ubud's many cafes and restaurants. Yoga studios. Practice yoga in serene settings, surrounded by lush greenery. Tips for visiting Ubud. Best time to visit. The dry season, April-October, is the ideal time to visit Ubud, with pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Getting around. Rent a scooter or hire a driver to explore the surrounding areas. Accommodation. Ubud offers a wide range of accommodation options, from budget guesthouses to luxurious villas. Respectful travel. Dress modestly when visiting temples and other sacred sites. Local etiquette. Learn basic Balinese greetings and customs to show respect for the local culture. Ubud offers a harmonious blend of nature, culture, and wellness. By immersing yourself in its tranquil atmosphere and exploring its diverse offerings, you'll discover a truly unforgettable experience. The Campuhan Ridge Walk is a picturesque trail in Ubud, Bali, offering stunning views of the lush green valleys and rice paddies. It's a popular choice for hikers, joggers, and nature lovers seeking a tranquil escape. Scenic views. The trail offers breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside, including lush rice terraces, rolling hills, and distant mountains. Tranquil atmosphere. The peaceful and serene environment makes it an ideal place to relax and unwind. Easy access. The trailhead is easily accessible from Ubud town center, making it a convenient option for a morning or afternoon walk. Well-maintained path. The path is well-maintained and suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. Photo opportunities. The picturesque scenery provides ample opportunities for photography. Tips for the Campuhan Ridge Walk. Best time to visit. Early morning or late afternoon are the best times to visit, when the weather is cooler and the crowds are smaller. Wear comfortable shoes. Wear comfortable walking shoes with good traction. Bring water. Stay hydrated, especially during the hot and humid months. Respect the environment. Avoid littering and stay on the designated trails. Enjoy the silence. Take time to appreciate the tranquility of the surroundings. The Campuhan Ridge Walk is a must-do activity for anyone visiting Ubud. It's a perfect way to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and connect with nature. The Ubud Monkey Forest, also known as the Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, is a nature reserve and temple complex in Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. It's home to hundreds of long-tailed macaques, considered sacred by the local Balinese people. Respect the monkeys. The monkeys are wild animals, so it's important to respect them and their space. Don't tease or provoke them, and avoid making direct eye contact, as this can be seen as a sign of aggression. Protect your belongings. The monkeys are known for their mischievous behavior, so it's important to protect your belongings. Keep your bags zipped, and avoid wearing anything that the monkeys might find attractive, such as hats, sunglasses, or jewelry. Don't feed the monkeys. Feeding the monkeys can disrupt their natural behavior and lead to aggressive behavior. Stay on the paths. Stick to the designated paths to avoid disturbing the natural habitat of the monkeys and other animals in the forest. Enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. Take some time to appreciate the serene and spiritual atmosphere of the monkey forest. There are several temples within the complex, and you can meditate or simply relax and enjoy the natural beauty. By following these guidelines, you can have a safe and enjoyable experience at the Ubud Monkey Forest. There is no elephant safari park in the traditional sense in Ubud. However, there are a few places where you can interact with elephants in a responsible and ethical way. Elephant Safari Park and Lodge. This park is dedicated to the conservation and welfare of Sumatran elephants. You can interact with the elephants in various ways, including feeding them, bathing them, and taking a guided walk through the park. The park emphasizes ethical and sustainable practices, ensuring the well-being of the elephants. Mason Elephant Park. This park also focuses on elephant conservation and offers various activities, such as elephant rides and feeding. It's important to choose a reputable operator and ensure that the elephant interactions are ethical and humane. By choosing a reputable elephant park and participating in ethical activities, you can enjoy a memorable experience while contributing to elephant conservation efforts in Bali. Ubud offers a diverse range of accommodation options to suit every budget and preference. Here are some popular choices. Wapa di Ume. This luxurious resort offers stunning villas with private pools and breathtaking views of the surrounding rice fields. Culinary Ubud Private Villas and Spa. This exclusive resort features spacious villas with private pools, lush gardens, and world-class spa facilities. Anantara Ubud Bali Resort. This luxurious resort offers a serene and tranquil setting, with beautiful villas, a spa, and a yoga pavilion. Bisma 8. This stylish boutique hotel offers modern rooms with minimalist design and a rooftop infinity pool. Baku View Resort. This charming resort offers stunning views of the Ubud Valley and comfortable rooms with private balconies. Pertiwi Bisma. This eco-friendly resort offers cozy rooms with traditional Balinese architecture and lush gardens. Ubud Tropical. This hostel offers affordable dorm rooms and private rooms, perfect for budget travelers. Ubud Inn Cottage. This cozy guesthouse offers comfortable rooms at a reasonable price. Villa Mandi Ubud. This spacious villa offers a private pool, a fully equipped kitchen, and stunning views of the rice fields. Ubud Dadari Villas. This luxurious villa complex offers private villas with private pools and stunning views of the jungle. Ubud offers a diverse culinary scene, blending traditional Balinese flavors with international influences. Here are some of the must-try foods and popular restaurants in Ubud. Babi Guling. This is a must-try dish in Ubud. It's a succulent roasted suckling pig, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Nasi Campur. A mixed rice dish with a variety of side dishes, including meat, vegetables, and sambal. Lawar. A spicy Balinese salad made with minced meat, vegetables, and spices. Sate Bali. Grilled skewers of marinated meat, usually pork or chicken, served with a peanut sauce. Ubud is known for its health-conscious food scene. Many restaurants offer fresh, organic, and vegetarian, vegan options. Avocado bowls. A popular breakfast or brunch option, often served with a variety of toppings like granola, fruits, and nuts. Smoothies and juices. Fresh and healthy juices and smoothies are available at many cafes and juice bars. Plant-based cuisine. Numerous restaurants offer delicious plant-based dishes, from vegan burgers to tofu stir-fries. When exploring Ubud's food scene, don't be afraid to try new things and experiment with different flavors. You're sure to find something to satisfy your taste buds. Living in Ubud offers a unique and rewarding experience. By embracing the challenges and enjoying the benefits, you can create a fulfilling and enriching life in this beautiful Balinese town.